Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make special drumstick stir fry recipe. We need only less time and very few ingredients to make this delicious recipe. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 3 drumsticks, cut into pieces like this. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 cup of water, mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 8 minutes on medium flame. After 8 minutes we can open the lid. Drumsticks have cooked well. Keep aside for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds. After mustard seeds spluttering, keep it low flame. Add 2 dry red chilies cut into halves, some curry leaves, 4 chopped garlics. Mix it well. Saute it for 2 minutes. Now add 2 sliced onion. Mix it well. Saute it on medium flame for 6 minutes until it becomes light golden brown color. When the onion turns to light golden brown color, keep it low flame. We can add the masalas. Add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. Mix it well. Cook for a minute. Now add previously cooked drumsticks to it, including the water in it. Mix it well. Then add half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Special drumstick stir fry recipe is ready. We need only less time and very few ingredients to make this delicious recipe. You will really enjoy the flavors.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.